Marcia is asking for your assistance to help her to get to Aruba. That's where her friend is, Nadim. She'll be buried in Aruba.
Hey, YouTuber, I'd have told you, I'd have been like, why don't you make the first payment? Why is it sounding like you trying to throw partner online? Why are you making people put up on YouTube your beggings? You're bringing up all of these things that you used to do and what you used to do. How about nobody care? When was you going to tell people that you used to, you ran charity for 30 years, you've been on the internet for 20 years, and this is your first, all that. But I want you to pay attention, girl. You don't come on your YouTube page writing up nothing for no Marcia child. You don't know scamming.
Fare and accommodation for the funeral.
Ain't this
asking for you guys' assistance. So if there's anyone out there that is able to assist Marcia to
Marcia,
assist,
baby,
so that she'll be able to say her goodbyes. As you know,
let me tell you, YouTuber, she currently living in a hotel because it's her fault. All the lies and shenanigans that she threw out here, baby, and you got half of them on your page with her being disrespectful. Let me tell you something. She did it all to herself. I wouldn't
show to my lovely supporters.
Hear that.
For assistance to go to my friend's funeral in Aruba. It's very expensive.
You sound too hoggish.
And at this present moment, in my budget to go. Because this was unexpected.
If it ain't in your budget, that means you can't go.
So the family is going to bury her on Valentine's Day.
I'm not telling like myself. I feel like said a family there would do better without you. Because you want like a licky social media friend. When Miss Nadine probably take out on the boat and she pay feet. Why you there skin up your teeth? Come see you post one like a video with you and the lady. You know, see she look more comfortable than you. Yeah, your behavior need toned down, but you're still the same. Nothing change. A birthday money she look, yes. Of course, it sounds like a partnership try to show with the people them.
I am hoping to fly out with the help of my lovely supporters on Monday the latest.
With the help of my lovely... Hey, everybody, me can have $1. I'll give it right back to Stacy. Yo, should I
so
know
I can
about that?
The whole proceeding. And also to assist them in doing something to help.
Your beggings make people want to cuss, but yo, your beggings them like it just sound aggish. Hell no, you wouldn't get that from me.
During this time.
Of course,
so
man.
I want to be there to assist the family in whatever I can help them, because she was a good friend to me.
She cost the wall of them all.
She wasn't a friend. She was a sister to me.
Everybody was a sister to you, Wanga got. Everybody was a sister to you. You're dead and attack. First of all, today you wake up and you the cowball yesterday, and today you wake up. Now it sound like say you want your partner. Wait till me expose it to the people, panhandler.
You understand? She was a sister to me. So
she have money for the ladies. That's a shame. I go and tell panhandler nastiness. She's embarrassing. I bet say the lady have more good friend than that. She have one of them pop down friend there. You know see her well go for boat ride videos so everybody can see. Oh, we were friends. We was on the cruise together. I not didn't pay for that.
You was like
Use like a beggar, like a swine.
Oh, that is you, baby.
You is not nobody. I see
That's
you
all she ever
come on
do.
social media as a beggar, you know. Remember that, you know.
You was a damn beggar. And then on top of that, you are a bully in your beggings. You pathetic in your beggings. Like, you everything in your beggings, girl.
As a papa, you know. Me have a receipt of people who send you money in a corona, you know. You understand? Me have a receipt of people who send you money in a corona. Where you
Who gives a hell? Huh? Look at you.
big. You come as member say, no, me bless over 200 people or more in a corona, you know. You come as a...
Oh, did you? When was you gonna let the people know that? How long you was gonna keep it underneath your kangaroo pouch?
So so when you attack, you don't call on him no more. If I'm me like you, don't call on him. It means they say that you spit in your face when you call on him.
That's so crazy.
I will play voicemail later down.
Yes, you got you. Do you really have a disability, Kakayai? I would love to know, because you know something. The way how things shaping up with you, and the things that you say, and how your brothers and all of that, your sisters, they treat you, that shit sound like you really need a payee, or one of them should be your damn payee and monitor your money for you, like.
How she feel about
Yeah, she look big and sour. It look like says she don't wake up and brush her teeth, not one bit one tall. Kingston 13, she not show her face, but she done come out and look like this. You don't see how sour you look. Marcia, Kingston 13 I just show her bathroom. It cleaner than your mouth.
Ask my supporters them for anything.
You beg too much. That's why your grandson is not allowed around you. Well, big up to your son's baby mother. At least she's smart. After hearing this, it should be a no-no.
Kind of drunk no want you, and man no want you.
But no man no want you.
Tears and I entertain with my good comedy. I'm a good entertainer.
You don't have no good comedy. You like a fucking fool.
Feel me. You want to come over there and talk shit. Go suck your dog them way around you. And if I do not get the help that I need to go to that place, because the hotel is very expensive, me can't tell you no say a big changes by social media.
We don't give a shit.
And the good have to suffer for the bad.
Dumbass.
I do. If Una don't come through for me, as
so you threatening your peoples if they don't come through with money? Girl, get the
loss on social media.
I tell you.
Because all I have to do is to go into my videos them and chop up it and promote it on my page. You can't tell me that.
Girl, bye.
I don't get to take that plane Monday and get everything that I want with the help of the help that I reach out here. Social media would never be the same again. May I tell you that right now?
Listen, do y'all hear her? I would have told her a bag of things.
Once Marcia come out here and say help with something,
don't help her.
Hesitate no farmer way. I want to give them something to talk.
Shall go cost them now.
Who already make a donation. You understand?
Cussing your peoples like that.
When them attack them things there, because when them a collect over there, we not give them freely. We not give it to them.
You watch people. That's all you do. I don't know you have friends in a life.
Or entertain now, on social media. I want to reach out to you. You must get help.
Shut up. You was an emergency to get you a breathing machine. You're not no emergency for real. As far as nothing else, go get you a damn job.
That is what I try to promote out here. Even when I say to you with joint members only. The first thing I said, being a members only, we want you guys to be assist each other.
Listen.
When them birthday come, if a tree somebody or for somebody, we collect money and give to them. Split up in a tree.
That not sound like partner.
If one of the members only have a problem, we're supposed to can come together and say, here's the money, go pay your bills with it. Those are the things I've always implemented out here.
Listen, I just was away just last week, right? And I asked my sister, what does partner mean? Because I heard about it. I'm always hearing about it. And then, like, they be getting, like, buku money. You know what I mean? So I asked her just what it was. And it's crazy that every damn thing that she talking about, it will want to sound like it. And it is. You trying to run online partner. Go and get a job. That's what you're trying to do. Work your money and then don't sit there like that, Marcia, and then you talk shit to people all day long, up and down and up. You don't make no sense. I wouldn't throw no goddamn partner with you. I wouldn't throw nothing with you. Every 5 seconds, you going to be the only one who taking out the pot, who getting the pot. Get out of here.
When I have not giving them life. Me who they on social media entertain. Me come out here and ask a little help. One time. Over all these years that I've been on social media. Anytime me come and ask for help on this page, it's always charity.
It's atrocious saying it, Nadia.
Me never beg for myself yet. At first, me come out here and I beg for my blood clot self.
Not help for you, girl. I wouldn't allow the people to give you shit. They better keep it and give it as an offering on Sunday.
People me beg for.
Yeah.
One time me I reach out to in 14, 15 years and I want to come this the program. And I call my name.
You's a beggy peggy ass. I don't like you.
How no blood clot a build pussy clot house out there and care? Look how much how no. Look how no blood clot.
I got more I know. Why y'all beg if you got money?
Look how the little blood clot underprivileged woman look.
Call me young and me just got work. I decide I'm not doing something because I love one. And what they does.
Look at them when they first start.
I have more respect, but God.
Then look blood clot better than we a pussy clot foreign. Look at their houses, where they look up is a whole blood clot house was. And look at them now. Look at some of them used to drive blood clot hand car. That now them a drive how much car and bus.
You mad because my mama stuff. You mad because of my mama D stuff. I don't care what you say. You better get up off of her and all her vehicles, you nasty piece of shit.
Take a look at
She'll never look like you when she get up in the morning. She look fresh in the face. I bet you she ain't struggling. Yeah, my mama mad in her.
Take a look all over them on social media.
Yeah, take a look at her. Ain't she beautiful? I seen a reel of her and I saw the dress that she was talking about. Child, my mama was looking good, bitch.
Look at their.
She had that long hair and that thing looked nice. Whip.
Them full up with blood clot.
You come up here talking about the security. Shut up.
Some of them get false teeth and who know up here with no fucking teeth come out on their head.
Who gives a shit?
Them house furnish out. Who know there with the same blood clot furniture?
Why?
While them have them pretty furniture
and you don't have none.
When you look them house gone up in the year, we up to touch the sky.
Yes.
And when a blood clot in America live in a one room.
Yes.
And we are struggle up here while them sit down and laugh off of we.
Well, my mama got her mansion and shut the fuck up and let me tell you something. I should be proud to tell you, I'm just the goddamn viewer. And when I place myself, I make you look stupid without you calling her goddamn name. Listen here. You see, she got a mansion and I'm in one of my 3-bedroom with 2 bathroom and the outside it coming like me can hold a whole football team out there. I will enjoy myself and na boo boo. You stupid oh. And I know one place me go all the while and I just yes sir. So you should be fucking embarrassing. I'm a young. Me have a 401k. What do you have? You ain't got nothing, Becky Peggy. Ooh, I bet you if any emergency, I get up and I go. Just like that. Slatter damn, damn, damn. Bitch, you gotta be out here, you gotta be and cry. Oh, I've been telling the truth out here, y'all. Can I get a $1? Tom and chill. I'm the child that don't need shit. I said the Lord is good and that's all I say. It's my belief, you fat nasty. Ew, you ugly. You ugly. Even if it's an apartment, go get it. It'll be your own. I bet you wouldn't get tormented like this. You don't want to go to sleep? You want to keep on invading the privacy over there in Jamaica? You want to feel like you could say certain things and I tell you that don't do it? I'm going to mess you up. Sure enough, you come out here. Next time, what it's going to be like? You're going to go fucking crazy.
Here. Why is it not you? I'm talking reality here. Who agree with me? Put some love up.
Shut up. I love you. I look for.
Me are giving a reality check.
Look by you.
Look at all the bloggers them with Jamaica, and look at them from a year ago and 2 years ago. Look at them now.
So
them a god blood clot private gym.
So why is you bad minding them? That means they using it, they working it. Them Jamaican bloggers working it, and
them a drive big blood clot car around
and you not drive nothing but the same shit with the radio and now walk.
Some of them have stores.
Some of them have this and that, and you're stagnant. And that's why you don't.
Marcia, we come giving a reality of life every
reality of life when move. Gwey. The Jamaican bloggers them not have nothing to do with your stagnant turnover roach pamba blood clot.
Check for yourself. Aruba is expensive. The other day when I was
Aruba your problem. You well want to go to Aruba. Nadine said no, not unless you pay your feet yourself. You beg too much.
I want to dear Caribbean island like that. Look at them.
You nasty self. All me wouldn't give you no kind of money after you tell one black woman says she forgot have sex with her sons them like you want watch. You nasty piece of shit. Yeah, put you in your place and take over.
One time I tell you my best friend passed away suddenly.
It's not your best friend. It's not your best friend. It's your acquaintances.
My motor knows that people don't really shop with me that much.
Yeah, because you're nasty. Anytime you can come out and go so, yeah, and I talk to the people, and that's nasty.
And me come up here and I said to assist me for the first time ever come out here.
Nobody no assist you with the application. Go get a job. Well, why don't you go fill out the application at McDonald's or something? Ain't nothing wrong with it. Shit. It's a job for me.
If she not bury all one that 2-3 weeks, I wouldn't come out here and ask. I would have buried her.
Away you to talk to her while she lay down.
But in that country, you have to bury the dead in 5 days' time. So a lot of people won't be getting to go in. Because me know say it is too sudden. Can me check said
them have ambition, but Curly not have no ambition.
Like say
like a fat caca one you have no ambition.
When I'm finished. I thought that it was going
Look
to
there.
be. I'm going to finish when I'm finished.
She have to cut in and eat that yogurt, you know. Yeah, cause every morning when she go down there, hear her. I almost miss breakfast. She can't miss that, you know. That miserable throat the whole day.
To hold body.
She don't have no manners to
because
people.
I noticed a lot of people who live there, they must go across the country to go.
Curly, come over here and let me talk to you for a minute.
Look like them don't have the equipped to hold body, so you have.
Yes, she's a freeloader, I'm afraid. Hey, she's a freeloader for real. Sophia ain't got the time to be nice to these people. How she feel?
Anyway,
I told her leave my mama D name alone. I really mean it. $0 and 0 cents. She gonna find out how American kids do.
Job. You want fish and bread. You're not too fucking bad, man. Me want fish and bread, but you want to take on a blood clot, come up at night time, and at daytime come cock up on a pussy clot and come watch me for keep on a company.
Yo, if the peoples was smart out here, they'd take you and go talk about you and make some free money. You free money.
But you can't come over here, come listen to me, give all of ideas.
You like one of them things that you gotta hit to get the candy out. You sweet, you all candy, shut up.
How to get things and how to do this and
you trying to show a partner, make them show a partner. Join hand. Throw partners. No, don't trust you with shit. And I need them to place their block. Right, look on her and them, lad.
And one time they come out here, oh, I thought you were a big deal. Me still a big deal. And me still need help in my life.
You need help in your life, but everybody who can't help you, disrespect them. Eh? And have it your way is to panhandle these idiots that's on your page.
Me still a big deal, me still need help. Me's a single black woman.
You're a single black woman because you're an ugly sight. You're just old and miserable. Look on your real age. See your real age there. One woman who is 60 do not look like you in the bed like this on a still pause. I real age that. Name your yogurt. How long it take to eat your yogurt?
You understand me? Me now go sell crutch.
Me think say, hey, I true. Me think say you the have a man. I want word this, you know. She have plenty of them who push cat. And come lay down in her bed, come lay down in her hotel bed with jacket on.
You understand me? Then Lataya, it look like you want me cuss. But me know say you must have give something else.
Watch that.
You know.
But watch that. Look on that area, yeah. That no look like behind her head back when she get her haircut.
And before you come and assist me, you be there and listen to them over there. Oh, I thought it was a big deal. and coming over here asking for stuff and friend this and
don't she look like Biggie impersonator? The real one though.
You know some have a cousin died too? You know some auntie daughter dead?
Alright, but you no give a shit. I dare you come out with your auntie daughter and I try panangle like you do Miss Nadine.
But me rather go Jamaica. Me rather go Aruba than go Jamaica to my aunt.
Ratted. How you in Jamaica have?
To my cousin funeral. Me we say
you's a wicked bitch.
Something. So me my
why wouldn't you go to your family funeral, Marcia? Just like your mother. You hear what you say about your mother, Marcia? Eh? When your people them a try to get to you. You're one of them little bitch that when me can see say you never do nothing for your mother yet, you know. You never do absolutely shit for your mother yet. And your behavior said that. And listen to you now. You would rather to go to Aruba instead of going to Jamaica to your peoples. You's an asshole, bitch. I tell you. The biggest asshole social media will ever see.
Me soon call about my auntie daughter did, you know. My auntie daughter did last week at Jamaica.
That's why you broke and cry. You no come send nothing.
But I rather to go to my friend home.
Well, if I saw on a treat, I'll Sophie Dunkley on a treat her fuck up though. But when on the D1 her, oh, you know, for use her, everything was okay. I see on a treat her too. Only some fucked up friends out there, so.
I go to my friend when even do a family. My family, I have a cousin died, you know, to Jamaica too, you know. Last week, you know.
Yeah, but it got benefit you. For your own recreational use. You done go Aruba because you want a
to make the
vacation
money.
for yourself, and then you're probably afraid for God,
You
Jamaica,
understand?
because
I
of
was
your
about to
nasty,
one.
stinking blood clot mouth.
But me have a cousin. Me have a cousin dead at Jamaica. Also. I have a cousin dead in Jamaica also. So I two that me have. One friend and one family. I have a cousin.
And she now no job, now work nowhere. Like a Uber driver, careless Uber driver, yeah.
Then me I could have cattle and live nice and live nice apartment, yeah. You know what? I'm here talking about something important. I come and get no puss. I don't have no puss. I gave away the puss to shelter. And Coco run for a long time, go to the door. Coco gone to a nice family. I wish Coco the best. I don't want no more puss. God bless the people who want puss. Them very lovely and something, but me not have time to puss. Puss take up too much time. And them very feisty and sitting too. I enjoy Coco and it was good while it lasts, but I don't have no puss. I don't want no more cats.
No, you gonna block the person.
Tell you my truth. I want them very loving, very loyal in a one way.
Look
but
on your life. Marcia, you caused this to yourself.
And like a dog we can't care what I do.
You're embarrassing bad.
Litter box and then cost money and feisty. But anyway, I not talk about no post. I want to let you know I don't have no more posts.
Free Aruba trip, she look all day long.
And gonna come where me is.
And then when she get down there now, she gonna show off like she do the last time when she got Jamaica. I say a cousin will never peep that scenery there when she got Jamaica the last time, man.
Time to go clean up it. When the litter box was there, I put it in the boiler room.
You're nasty. Cause you have the paint bucket in your room, girl. Bye. You want blood show. You're nasty like what?
No. In the future, I will think about it. When we have a big backyard and big something and then whatever it is.
Yeah.
You don't have pet right now.
When you get the big backyard there, you're supposed to well grow up and look more uglier than ever.
So as I was saying.
And then she come and talk about say, oh, I want to leave on Monday and come back on Thursday. And I want. Go sit up. Boy, I want. Who is you?
The little dirty drunk woman over there with him same foolishness. I bring one faith come up with foolishness just as how he go tell lie for Harleen. You understand?
You see when she do that nasty right there.
Eh?
Rude.
Me say if me catch you, you know, me dash a bucket of blood clot shit in your face. Me da ask you, as God up heaven. I would have got jail for you right now.
Shut up.
The way me despise you. Would have got blood clot jail for you.
Go clean your glasses down them dusty.
No call her name up blood clot, dirty pussy clot woman. Don't call me friend name out. Low
no
like
money for you.
Bumble clot.
Bumble clot, man.
Suck your blood clot pit in them dick.
Look at you. You just trifling. I could let you go by with it because look at your head. No wonder you would get up and say things like that. Look at the shape of your head.
Don't call
you
him
dunce.
Don't call me name out.
Look at you. No money for you to go to Aruba. No money.
Dirty blood clot.
Aruba, America. Yeah, she live on people's kids because she a pervert.
And make a pussy clot dive.
You sure you had that boy of yours that can't stay out of that house?
You can't take that blood clot. I said, what, you know what?
Look at that peanut. Look at that cashew.
Don't call her name in your mouth.
Turn to the side again.
Don't call her name in your mouth.
Look at this
idiot. She said you're a low-life drunk.
You look
I mean,
like
have it
one
on
mama
voicemail,
man. You look
which she
like
said
one big
last week,
mama
when I
man
call
in
her
a
and tell
bed.
her, so we go nasty on social
Good
media.
night.
And she said, if you tell them low like
Look
grass
at
crop in a call her
look
name,
at
you come
that
back in a bar
long
and tomorrow.
cashew.
What the fuck you think? You think
Look
me
at
I
that
work from
long
your 17 in
cashew.
this country?
Putting
Me
on.
work my blood clot. Me have a business for 3 years. And since me come a Connecticut, my business went
Look at
down. When me
that
there in
mama
New York
man
City,
with
and
cashew
pussy clot
head.
4,000 me a touch down in a cash up a week. And since me come a
Yes,
Connecticut, my
turn
business
around.
drop. You just see how much blood clot contain and me ship a Jamaica and go open up store when I was in New York. And since me come a Connecticut, me blood clot stagnant. That's why me a put me pussy clot at the blood clot place.
Hold on. You said you said since you got Connecticut, your blood clots. Well, at least you admit.